Hey guys, we just received a special package in the mail from Google. What do you think it is? This is the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and I got some other goodies to share. Let's check it out. Now, we're super excited and grateful to Google for including us as part of Team Pixel and providing us the Google Pixel Fold, Google Pixel 7. We've been part of the program for quite some time, and it's always encouraging to see the innovation coming from Google and how things are constantly changing. And this year, we received two products. We had the Fold, and now we receive two other solutions. And we received today the Google Pixel 8 Pro as well as the Google Pixel Watch 2. And not only are we seeing improvements in both of these products, but even they're improving some of their other products as well. So the Google Pixel Buds, the Pro version, also received an update that we're going to be testing out and seeing how well they're doing now with call quality, because they've been doing a lot of improvements both on video, audio, as well as health. So a lot of good things to see coming from Google. And you can see here we have our little bag here that is the Google Pixel Collection. We'll put that over to the side. And the boxes that you see here really represent the two products that we received. They're empty, right? They've been opened already. And basically what Google did is, as they opened them, and we'll just go into this one so you can see what's included. You can see all the cables here, right? All the adapters that are part of the Pixel, right? But what they did is they put it in this really nice, I would say, box for us. So we'll go ahead and open this up. You can see, really love the way that looks. The way that acrylic, and you can see that kind of finish right there. We'll put this over to the side. And let's see which side is up. Make sure we got the right side. Oh, I think it's the other side. I have it backwards. So we'll go ahead and flip this over again, make sure things are placed nicely. And having looked at the boxes, push that to the side, in addition to getting the Pixel, which you're going to see right here, here we have the Pixel. So we have the Pixel and the Pixel Watch. We also got some snacks. Google knows how to take care of people. So notice here, and these are the snacks that they sent us that we're going to be munching on. Pretty nice. Thanks, Google. Now, in addition to that, you can see that we have our Pixel. And we actually have now the Pixel 8 Pro. There are several improvements. Faster processor, better battery life. Pixels are known for their cameras. And they have added artificial intelligence. So, that's the thing right now, AI everywhere. So there's AI technology in here that's going to help you translate words, improve the way you take pictures, erase things out of your picture. It's just, even as you're thinking about recording and having noisy environments, the AI also is going to help with that as well. So there's a lot of different ways that the AI is going to be helping you. And then on the watch, this is their next generation. We really, really liked their first gen. It's still keeping similar design language. And what we'll do is we'll move these over to the side. So that we can see this for a second. What they've done here is, this is an improvement, right, from the previous generation. And there's a lot to like about the Pixel watches. One of them is the form factor, and also just how they feel. One of the things I like about watches, or what I look for in a watch, is for the watch to feel almost like jewelry. I want it to feel like a real watch. I don't want a digital watch to feel digital. And what I love about this is that the overall feel and aesthetic of this watch feels absolutely fantastic. Really love that look. And then we'll just go ahead and snap it into place so you can see it. It just feels it, and then it goes well. Now, the phone itself is a Pixel phone, right? So it's going to have VPN. It's going to have the best camera that you can get on a Pixel. And you're going to be able to enjoy, again, all of the features that you've come to love from the Pixel line with all of the updates that you would expect. Now, the very first thing we're going to do with our Pixel is actually power it up. So I'm going to go ahead and press the power button, and we're going to let it start up. It does have a charge. And as it's powering up, you're going to see this phone is bright. It's blinding bright. We'll just keep it on the side for a second, and then we'll adjust the actual light. But feels well. A couple things that we'll just highlight while it's starting up. You have here your volume rocker, and you have your power button. This is something that Google just does a little bit differently from other manufacturers. Typically, the power button is on the bottom and the volume rocker is on the top. Same thing is happening with the Fold. Their Fold, they have it backwards or different. And it just takes a little getting used to, especially if you're coming from another manufacturer. Over here, you'll notice that you have speakers. You have your USB-C cable. Now everybody's USB-C, hint, hint, Apple. And then what you have over here is your SIM tray. Right? At the very top, you have pinhole mics, and then on the back, you have 3 cameras that are fantastic for camera, for taking pictures. On this side, what we basically have is the setup, and you can see that it's already started, so we're going to go through the setup process. Now, we're going to go through the setup process, and a couple things that you can do is when you set up your device, you can use another device to set it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Pixel Fold, which I have right here. I also have the Pixel, the previous version of the Pixel here as well. But I use my Fold, which is the one that I've been using most currently. And for those of you who may have not considered or thinking about a foldable phone, these are going to be, in my opinion, the flagship phones for Google. Amazing phones, and it's hard to choose. But what I'll say is this: this is going to have the latest AI, great camera, all the software that you'd like. Eventually, I would expect that the Fold is going to get the same thing. But I actually love this Fold. It's taken some time to get used to because it's a little bit different than some of the other Folds I use, but it is a great phone. Now, there are several features that make the Google Pixel Pro a worthy upgrade. First of all, it has a 5x telephoto camera. In addition to that, you basically have a 6.7-inch OLED display that has a resolution of 1344 by 2992. It's one of the brightest pixels that I've ever experienced. In addition to that, you're looking at the brand new Tensor G3 chip, which means that it's going to be faster, and it's also been designed with Google AI in mind, which means that you're going to be able to take advantage of, again, all the Google AI type capabilities that you're starting to see emerge on your phone. Now, one of the things that Google does extremely well when it comes to new devices is the operating system. You're basically having Google Pixel 8 Pro has Google Assistant 2.0. It has something that's called Video Boost. It has enhanced call or enhanced clear calling capabilities, and has 7 years of operating system updates. And the enhancements that we're seeing coming from the phone, either in video or in calls, are pretty spectacular, making it almost microphone free when it comes to using this as a video recorder. Pretty spectacular. Now, from a storage perspective, you can get all the way up to 512 gig of storage, which is going to be more than enough for your videos and for your pictures too. All right, so now we've completed our setup, and a couple things took place. We've upgraded the operating system because there was a patch that came in or an update, and then we've also then been setting up our phone with our Pixel Watch 2. And we'll see some of the features that we're going to see here in a second. But what could you say about the Google Pixel? First of all, it's just like any other Pixel that you've seen before. This device is fast, it's clean. It doesn't really have much when it comes to any kind of bloatware at all. Well, let's say it doesn't come with bloatware at all. No extra software, just the basic essentials. And then what you could do is you can add everything that you'd like. So make sure you stand by. Make sure you watch our videos. We have tips and tricks coming.